Anna and Elsa, the two inseparable sisters of Arendelle, often found joy in each other's company. Although they were blessed with different gifts, they always found a way to combine their unique talents for new and exciting adventures. One crisp, sunny morning, Anna woke up with a brilliant idea. "Elsa," she called out excitedly as she bounded into the main hall. Elsa, ever the composed older sister, looked up from the map of the kingdom she was studying. "What is it, Anna?" she asked, a smile already tugging at her lips, sensing her sister's enthusiasm. "Let's paint flowers in the garden, but with a twist. I'd like to use your magic," Anna exclaimed, eyes sparkling with inspiration. Elsa laughed softly, intrigued by her sister's lively suggestion. "Sure, Anna. How do you imagine we do that?" she inquired, standing up and brushing her gown smooth. Anna clapped her hands together, explaining, "I'll paint the flowers and you can infuse them with your icy magic. Imagine the possibilities." Seeing the determination in Anna's eyes, Elsa nodded in agreement. "Let's do it." The sisters quickly gathered their supplies and set out to the garden. It was a beautiful space, albeit a bit bare during the late autumn season. Anna set up her easel and began painting vibrant flowers, each stroke bursting with color and life. As Anna painted, Elsa gently flicked her fingers, sending small flurries of magic dust toward the painted images. Each time Elsa's magic touched the canvas, the painted flowers shimmered and came to life, blooming into sparkling, frosted wonders. Together, they transformed the garden into an extraordinary scene. With Anna's artistic creativity and Elsa's enchanted touch, the once sparse garden became a magical wonderland. Gleaming blossoms glistened with icy brilliance under the morning sun, creating a wonderland not seen by any in Arendelle before. Overwhelmed with joy, Anna twirled around, her delight echoing through the garden. "It's beautiful, Elsa. More magical than I could have imagined," she exclaimed. Elsa smiled, watching her sister dance among the enchanted flowers. "We make quite the team," she mused, knowing in her heart that magic was even more special when shared with Anna. From that day forward, the garden became a special place for the sisters, a testament to their bond and the magic they created when they worked together. As word spread throughout the kingdom, the garden attracted visitors who marveled at the unique displays, understanding that the true magic not only lay in the frosty blooms, but also in the love and cooperation that brought them to life.